So over here you can see that I have a cube in my Blender viewport. If I were to go on to edit mode by selecting this by pressing tab on my keyboard, you can see that this is an object with a lot of quad faces, meaning all of the faces in this object has 4 corners. So if I were to go around and you go onto the selection tool and click on this, you can see that I'm in the vertices selection mode, so I can select one vertices at a time. But if I were to go ahead and then select out a loop, then what I can do is I can go around and press Alt on my keyboard. And if I were to click on the vertices, you can see that this is how it selects. It selects the loop of the object right here. So now I can select the loop I want, and then I can click on move and move this around as I wish. So I can select this out. So let's say, for example, I want to select this. I'm going to hold Alt on my keyboard and select it. You can see that I can move around this in either directions, just like this. I can hold Alt right here and then select this out, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around, select Alt right here. I can hold Shift and I can select another loop at the same time and another loop at the same time if I were to hold Alt and Shift. And then I can move multiple loops at the same time. I can select this right here, just like this, hold Alt right here and then hold Shift, and then click multiple loops just like this, and you can see that I can move them all around all at once. And you can see that I can give details by selecting out the loops. So that is how you select this out. So if I were to go around into 2 and press 2 on my keyboard, I can go around and select the edges. Same goes for the edges as well. So I can select out the edges, hold Alt on my keyboard, and you can see that I can select that a loop right there. I can hold Alt and Shift and then click on this to select multiple loops just like this. But if I were to go ahead and hold Alt and Control on my keyboard, and if I were to select this, you can see that it actually selects out a ring right here. So I can hold Alt, Control and Shift, and if I were to click here, you can see that I select a ring instead, just like this. So you can see that that is how it works again. And then what you can also do is you can go around and press 3 on your keyboard, and if you were to select this out and hold Alt right here, you can see that that is how it actually moves, just like this. I can hold Shift and Alt and select this out as well, and then select out the loop of faces just like that as well. So I can go around right here, select out multiple loops right here, and then make the adjustment according to how I like it. And that is how you can select out loops and do a ring selection inside of Blender to select out quad face objects. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.